right, guys, next up I got Brian G here. He's going to crack open Prizm Collegiate. Good luck, good luck. Alright, I think we got points in this one, actually. Kyle Guy, Isaiah Roby, Ryu Hachimura, silver. Kobe White, 249. Darius Garland. Is he cracked ice? That one is numbered to 18. And you do indeed have points. 150 of them. Buy yourself something fancy with that. Okiki and Clark. Ja Morant. Base rookie. Justin James. Morant All-Americans silver. Tyler Hero. Number to 299, and then another Tyler Hero. Crusade insert to 149 with a Josh Perkins base autograph, Gonzaga. Cameron Johnson and Ty Jerome. Reddish, Akpola, Horton Tucker, silver. Tremont Waters, LSU to 199. Okiki, Crusade purple, and DeAndre Hunter. Nice hit right here to 18, cracked ice. Nice piece. 5 of 18 on the Hunter. Poole and Edwards. Johnson, Morant, Shayak, silver. We have a Terrence Mann to 249. Grant Williams, green. And Tremont Waters to 125 autograph. Kevin Porter Jr. and Terrence Mann. Tyler Hero. Zion Williamson, there's the big man. All-Americans. Eric Pascal, silver. KZ Akpala, a wave parallel to 299. Cameron Johnson, numbered to 25 camo. And Kevin Porter to 149 autograph. The RJ Barrett and Jackson Hayes. Rookie 2, finishing on out. Brian, appreciate it, man. Solid box right there. Nice hit on the Hunter green cracked ice.